Hello everybody, my name is Wick, and today I will be giving you a tour of the wonderful DeFi Kingdom. To start, you will need to install MetaMask through the Google Chrome store and purchase some Harmony 1 token on the centralized exchange of your choosing. Once you have successfully added funds to your MetaMask wallet, strap on your boots, fasten your chest plate, and down your pint of mead because we are about to embark on an unforgettable journey. Before we set out, we must talk about the XJewel. The XJewel is the native currency of the kingdom. All transactions within the kingdom's ecosystem are facilitated in XJewel. This includes buying heroes, summoning heroes, depositing it for xJewel, and using the garden. These uses will be explained further in depth later in the tour. The lords have exclaimed that the XJewel will have even more uses and utility in the near future. Before we get started, I would like to note that a majority of the graphics in this video are not made by me. These are useful tidbits of information that I have gathered through the DeFi Kingdoms Discord and Reddit. If I was able to find the original creator, they have been credited in the description. If one of the graphics in this video belongs to you, please reach out to me and I will credit you in the description. To begin, head to the DeFi Kingdoms website and click the Start Playing button. This will prompt you to input a username and select your profile picture. After that, confirm the pop-up in your MetaMask. Once this transaction is verified, you will have an official account on the DeFi Kingdoms website. Please note that this is tied to your wallet. Never share your seed phrase with anybody, or else they will be able to access your account. Our first stop in the kingdom will be the marketplace. The marketplace connects buyers and sellers from around the world to exchange various currencies. Let's go talk to the trader, Merchant Matoya, and see what kind of deals we can get today. As you can see, we are able to swap between a vast number of currencies. Some of these include wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped Ethereum, USDC, Harmony 1, and of course, the fabled XJewel. As an example, if I wanted to trade one Harmony 1 token for XJewel, we would select 1 from the drop-down menu in the trading row, and select XJewel from the drop-down box in the Trade 2 row. Make sure to take a close look at the minimum received, price impact, and liquidity provider fee at the bottom of the trading page. Trading between currencies and tokens with low liquidity will result in high slippage and price impact to the pool. When you are ready, hit the swap button and confirm the pop-up on your MetaMask. This will finalize the trade, and you should see the tokens appear in your MetaMask shortly after the transaction is confirmed. If you don't see the tokens appear in your MetaMask, you may need to import the token manually using the contract address. These can be found in the DeFi Kingdoms Discord or in the description below. Right next to the trader is stylist Sandra. No one is quite sure what this misguided spirit is doing here, but it may have to do with eventually changing your in-game profile picture, as this feature has been mentioned by the team to be coming soon. Nearby is Druid Lazarus. Druid Lazarus allows you to add liquidity to pool pairs of your choice, and also displays any liquidity positions that you currently hold. All pools that Druid Lazarus offer are subject to potential impermanent loss. Vendor Zeta will soon offer specific items for you to buy. It is speculated that these items will be utilized by your hero and potentially utilize the speculated secondary currency known as gold. Crier Milo displays the most recent weekly community newsletter. Check back here for the latest happenings around the kingdom. Our next stop is the garden. Here, you can stake liquidity pool tokens for liquidity mining rewards. To plant your LP tokens, speak to Druid Lazarus back at the marketplace and deposit the tokens correlating to the liquidity pool you are participating in. In this case, if I wanted to participate in the XJewel 1 pair, I can plant these tokens for 1,126% APR. Keep in mind that this is not true APR due to the price fluctuations of Jewel and the decrease in block rewards over time. All Jewel earned through liquidity mining follows the Jewel locking model. Currently, if you were to claim your Jewel, only a certain percentage of it would be unlocked and able to be immediately used. Locked Jewel will remain locked until the end of Epic 51, estimated to be in Q3 of 2022, at which point locked Jewel will begin to unlock over the next year into Q3 of 2023. The percentage of claimable Jewel increases by 2% each epic until Epic 51, where there will be no more locking of Jewel. More information on this model can be found at the link in the description. After a short stroll from the gardens, we arrive at the bank. The bank allows you to stake your Jewel tokens to earn interest with no risk of impermanent loss through xJewel. Your Jewel tokens will grow as the xJewel multiplier goes up. Tokens in the bank are fully unlocked upon being claimed and do not have any withdrawal fee apart from the small Harmony transaction fee. A fellow content creator, Digital Slowmad, has a great video explaining xJewel and the intricacies of how it works. This will be linked in the description below, and I recommend everybody interested in utilizing the bank to give it a watch. The Tavern allows you to buy, sell, view, and rent out heroes. To buy a hero, speak to Agent Selena. Here, you will be able to view all heroes currently for sale and their respective price in Jewel. On the front of the card, you will be able to see the ID, element, region, sex, name, class, subclass, rarity, level, generation, summons, stamina, and XP. It is not currently known what impact the element, region, and sex of the card will have on gameplay. The main class and subclass of the card determines the probability of receiving various skill points after leveling up and is important in summoning advanced, elite, and exalted classes. The level of the card is pretty self-explanatory and shows you the current level of the card. Cards level up after fully filling their XP meter. The generation of the card affects the cost to summon a hero of the next generation and the gene purity. No information about gene purity has been revealed by the team just yet. However, we do know that later generations will have worse gene purity than earlier generations. The summons of a card determines both the summoning cost of the card, this cost increases as more summons are used, and how many times that hero can be used to summon another hero. A card with one summon can only be used to summon one hero of the next generation. A card with two can be used twice, and so on. Flipping cards to their back allows you to view their stats. Each card, upon being summoned, receives a boosted profession. A +2 to one of the base stats, this is visible as the green stat, and a blue percentage boost stat. A purple stat just means that the blue and green modifiers are present on the same stat. The green +2 stat is a one-time modifier of the respective base stat. It adds no further value following the initial summon of the card. The blue stat gives you a boost to the probability of leveling up that skill as your hero progresses in level. A green profession means that your hero will receive a 10% boost in leveling that specific profession. Hero leveling, stat multipliers, and optimized professions will be explained in a future video as it is a bit too information dense for a beginner tutorial. I personally would not recommend buying a hero unless you know what you are looking for, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. By clicking Hero Details, you will be able to view other details of the card, such as their lineage, these are the heroes that were used to summon this hero, and sale history. On the left side of the Buy Heroes interface are various filters you can apply to narrow your search. The Sell Heroes page allows you to sell any heroes that you have bought or summoned as long as they are not on cooldown. To list a hero for sale, type in the amount of jewels you would like to sell your hero for. Select either public for a public listing or private for a private listing for just a specified wallet address and hit confirm sale. Please note that the Tavern marketplace will take a 3.75% cut of the sale. Listing a hero for hire is a way to sell, for the lack of a better term, one of the summons on your hero. A player will be able to rent out your hero to use for their summoning at the portal. Once someone has rented your hero, it will be placed on cooldown and decrease the available summons of that hero by 1. Barkeep Kessing allows you to view the hero catalog, view heroes by ID, and send heroes to other players directly. The hero catalog allows you to view all heroes that have been summoned, along with all available Gen 0s. The hero viewer allows you to input the specific ID of a hero to view. Sending a hero will prompt you to select a hero to send and input the wallet address of the recipient. The Professions area will allow you to send your hero to complete various tasks, such as fishing, foraging, gardening, and mining. Although professions are not currently available, they are rumored to be coming very soon. More information on professions is available in the official DeFi Kingdoms documentation and will be included in a follow-up video after professions are officially released. The docks serve as a hub between other lands. Clicking the Dockmaster will forward you to AnySwap, an official partner of DeFi Kingdoms, which allows you to bridge assets between other chains. The Wishing Well is located just beneath the castle and serves as the only way for heroes to currently obtain Gaia's Tears. Gaia's Tears are used for summoning more heroes, blessing certain stats of your hero upon leveling up, or can be sold in the marketplace. Each quest attempt will use 5 of your hero's stamina and rewards your hero with guaranteed XP and the potential of receiving tears. Each hero can attempt a quest up to 5 times at once. Heroes, on average, generate about 1 stamina per 20 minutes, which means that a hero can complete all 5 quests again after about 8 hours. Last and certainly not least, our tour ends at the portal. Speaking to Archdruid Agranum will allow you to infuse a summoning crystal. The summoning process requires 2 heroes to be summoned together and will create a hero with a generation of +1 to the hero with the highest generation. For example, if you were to summon a Gen 1 and a Gen 2 hero together, you would receive a Gen 3 hero. The summoned card will also receive a number of summons equal to -1 of the parent hero with the least amount of summons. Summoning a hero with 3 summons left and a hero with 4 summons left will produce a hero with 2 summons. It is recommended to try to always summon advanced classes to maximize the expected value of your summon. Summoning an archer and a thief, for example, will give you the best chance at obtaining a Dark Knight. More information on optimizing heroes for summoning will be included in a later video. The jewel cost to summon is determined by the generations of the parent heroes and how many summons they have used. It is not impacted by the maximum number of summons that a hero has available. A Generation 2 hero with 8 out of 8 summons will cost the same to summon as a Generation 2 hero with 7 out of 7 summons available. If you decide to hire a hero instead of summoning with another hero of your own, the jewel cost of hiring that hero will be factored into the cost breakdown. The tier cost, however, never changes. Summoning 2 basic classes together will always cost 20 tiers. Summoning 2 advanced classes together will cost 80 tiers. And summoning 2 elite classes together will always cost 140 tiers. To begin summoning, select 2 heroes of your choosing. One of them must be your own hero, and the other can either be a hired hero or another one of your heroes. After your desired heroes are selected, approve tiers and jewels to be spent, and click the Begin Summon button and confirm the pop-up in your MetaMask. After your transaction is confirmed, the summoner, Druid Lisa, will display your infused crystal with a short cooldown. Once this cooldown has ended, you are able to open your crystal and your summoned hero will pop out of the portal. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the kingdom. If you are interested in staying up to date with all things DeFi Kingdoms, make sure to join both the official DeFi Kingdoms Discord and my personal guild Discord, which I am currently building out, down below. I look forward to seeing new faces around the kingdom and wish everybody luck on their new adventure.